Imagine you're embroidering, and your machine stops unexpectedly. The thread break message appears, but all your threads are intact. One of the reasons could be that your bobbin thread has run out. This serves as the base stitches for your embroidery. Bobbin thread can be any color, though it is usually available in white and black. Now, to replace it, take the bobbin and position the thread so that the end comes out on the right side. Insert the tip of the thread into the slot. Now hook it onto the metal latch, and finally into the hook at the back. Done! You can now place it back in and continue your embroidery.